have a new guest. This is Ducky. Say hi, Ducky.
Hi.
And I'm going to be trying celery. Did you know that celery is 95% water? Contains vitamin C, K, B2, and dietary fiber. And celery also has anti-inflammatory properties that help improve blood pressure. Now I'm going to try a tiny bit of celery.
It's really tasty. You'll see. Try it.
Try
Try.
it.
The bowl.
I don't like it.
Okay, so Mia, why don't you like it?
I do like it, but it kind of tasted like mint.
Like a mint?
Do you want to try another bite? That little baby bite right
Can
there?
we try it with honey?
Yeah. Try dipping it in honey. This one. Little teeny one. And then you take as big a bite as you want. You can dip it fully so that you don't even taste anything else there. Mm-hmm.
Still tastes like mint, but a bit sweeter.
All right. So we're going to try the celery with something else next time. All right. All right. Well, thank you so much, Mia, for trying.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Next time, my name is Martinez, and this is an exclusive sneak peek of Jackie and I trying celery. 3, 2, 1.
Mmm. That was more bites, though. Nice job, Mia. You earned yourself 5 extra minutes. Those 2 minutes for trying this and 3 more minutes for your second take.
So what do you think, Mia?
It's better.
I like it.
Is a meh?
So it needs to be completely submerged in peanut butter. Is that the deal?
All right. Thank you. Thank you for trying.
Thank you for inviting me to your show, Mia, to try celery for the first time.
And don't forget to subscribe and like the video.